Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, you're in the right place to unlock the power of data visualization. In today's tutorial, I'll walk you through one of the simplest yet most effective tools in Power BI, cards. By the end of this video, you'll not only know how to use cards in Power BI, but you'll understand exactly when and why to use them to make your reports pop with important numbers that stand out. So let's jump right in. First things first, let's head over to the Visualizations pane in Power BI. If you're looking at your main screen, you'll see this panel on the right-hand side. It's basically your creative toolkit where you can choose all sorts of ways to display your data. Go ahead and click on the card visual. It looks a bit like a rectangle with a number inside. The card is perfect for spotlighting a key figure like total sales without any clutter. With the card selected, now it's time to tell Power BI what number we actually want to display. So from your data fields, usually on the right as well, click on Sales. Instantly your card updates and shows the total sales value. This is where you can see why cards are so popular. They're perfect for drawing attention to headline metrics, those all-star numbers you always want front and center. Let's take things up a notch and make our card look a bit more polished. Sometimes Power BI can put the text off to one side, but for a clean, focused look, we want that number centered. So while your card is selected, hop into the formatting options and make sure the text is centered, both horizontally and vertically if you can. It might sound minor, but centering your data helps your dashboard look professional and makes those key numbers jump out immediately. Next, let's replicate this card for other key metrics, and here's a shortcut you'll love. With your card selected, hit Ctrl+C to copy and then Ctrl+V to paste. Now you've got a duplicate card much faster than recreating one from scratch. Click the second card, and this time instead of sales, click on quantity in your data fields. This instantly swaps out the sales value for quantity. Think about it like updating the title on a bestseller list. You can repeat this process to add more cards for different metrics, like profit. Let's do it one more time. Add another card and click on profit from your fields list. Now across your dashboard, you've got 3 clear separate cards, each spotlighting a different key number: sales, quantity, and profit. This kind of setup is super useful in business scenarios where your team wants a dashboard that serves up critical numbers at a glance. To add even more context, let's include a column chart. Back in the Visualizations panel, select the column chart. Now in the fields list, choose region as your axis and sales, quantity, and profit as your values. You'll see a chart appear showing how each metric breaks down by region. And here, where things get especially cool, try clicking on one column in your chart. Notice what happens. All your card visuals instantly update to show the values just for that region you selected. It's dynamic, interactive, and incredibly useful for quickly understanding your data from different angles. That's really the magic of cards in Power BI. They provide those snapshot metrics that change as you explore your data, making your reports far more interactive and insightful. So next time you need to shine a light on a crucial number, remember to use a card. If you found this walkthrough helpful, go ahead and hit that like button. It really helps the channel. Got questions or want to see more Power BI tips? Drop a comment below. I'd love to help out. And don't forget to subscribe so you never miss another easy-to-follow tutorial. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.